Welcome back. So Brad, now we've seen the inner workings of a file-based backup. How we manage the data, how we get it to a repository, how simple it is. But that's cool. Our data's sitting there and we've got this nice interface, how to retrieve it, how to manage it. But what else do I get? I mean, is there any other feature and benefit of file-based backup?
Yeah, that's a great question, first of all, and it really is starting to make an impact in the market today. There are some devices out there nowadays that will basically allow you to have that kind of next level of whatever it is you want to call this. So let's go back to the problem, right? You have numerous remote users perhaps, or even numerous users on premise that are all basically backing up, let's call it, to their own private clouds, right? And so there's no way, or there was a challenge of how do you kind of allow that information to be gathered and to do something else with it. And so there's again several devices out there nowadays. One in particular that we have seen in action that basically enables you to, let's take that exact case, right? It enables you to take all of your on-site users or remote users and allows them to back up to a central type of repository on premise, and then as it's sent off site, I mean it goes beyond just backup. It goes just beyond data protection or business continuity. But then let's say that you want to later, when you're on the road, you want to bring up your shared files, or you want to bring up those things that you're backing up on your iPad, your Android device, your mobile device. I mean, there are actual legitimate business cases for that. And so this is what this kind of hybrid device allows you to do. Is it allows you to look at things from a backup standpoint, and also like enterprise file syncing and file sharing. It kind of puts that all into one pot and all into one appliance, and allows you to basically take that and bring that to bear on your business. And so does that make sense?
Oh, absolutely. And I'll tell you, to gain that functionality just a few years back, the file share, the pushing it to a mobile device, I mean, you're talking tens of thousands of dollars to accomplish this, and you're nowhere near that on a utility-based file backup model today. So if you're a new business that's just starting up, man, think about the potential here without the CapEx dollars being spent. But you're an existing business and you say, you know what, I need to upgrade my file server, I need to do all these things. There's a case to be made to solve your problem a different way with these new modern tools.
Yeah, and not to mention, like, let's pretend that you have remote offices, home offices, all these. Maybe you're in that type of architecture, and yeah, you're having trouble extending that file share that you have at corporate out to all those places. You can, as you said, put these devices out there and basically reduce your administration cost, or reduce your spend on trying to figure out how to extend this and put big bandwidth in place, yeah, and things like that. So yeah, it's a really legitimate solution. That's actually, we'll take a look into the interface of one of those as well here shortly.